Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Really nice day in the markets here in the Genius brand stock. We're going to go over everything. If you guys just watched our previous video, we're going to leave a link for those of you who are just joining us, and you'll know that the market has come down to us. We have accepted the market. I'm going to let you guys know if we've actually entered the market here. So we're going to go over that. And if you are just joining us, welcome in. Leave an appropriate thumb. Leave a comment so that we can welcome you into the charts here. Your engagement helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It helps get the video out there. And we do appreciate all of our loyal subscribers. So welcome back, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's talk about Genius brand stock. And let's dive right into the charts here. Shall we? All right, so today's December the 29th, 2020, and the previous close of Genius Brand is going to be $1.47. It's down about 5.7% for the day. Okay. All right, guys. So it looks like, it looks like that price went exactly down to where we were saying. Hopefully, guys, you check that video out, and hopefully we'll actually left a link for the video. So $1.46. Okay. Have we entered the market? Absolutely. So we feel more comfortable entering the market here. And this doesn't mean that the price is going to skyrocket with the next 2 to 3 days just because we're entering the markets, guys. We could be up against a very vicious move to the downside, and we could potentially about to get wrecked on this position. So please do not follow what we are doing if you do not have a market entry and exit plan. Okay, we have a market entry and exit plan. That means profit taking, stop loss, and entry. So we have definitely entered the market here on today's day, well, yesterday actually, and we're looking to see some sort of price activity near this $1.46 level. Now, the one thing that I do not like, and I know the movers are like, dude, don't start with that, man. You told us 146, you're going to get bullish. We got bullish. We put 100K in here, guys. No, guys, this is not financial advice, okay? I have to paint this scenario because the 3 day still has about a day and 16 hours to close. This move happened very fast, okay? I think I was very specific in how I would like to have seen the price kind of have this slow, methodic move to the downside. It happened very fast. That's a little concerning for me, I'll be honest. I'm long the market, guys, okay? We're long. We started buying contracts, $1.50 contracts, $2 contracts. Okay, we're in the market, but I do have to stress the fact that the 3 day is not closed. It's not even close to being closing, and the weekly is not even close to being closing as well. It's not close to closing as well. We got about 2 days and 16 hours for the weekly to close. So what I'm expecting to see over the next 3 days, I'm waiting for the 3 day and the weekly to close to just make me feel more comfortable about my market entry decision. Am I still going to be buying if the price continues lower? Yes, I will actually. I will buy this asset even if it gets down all the way to, let's see, pure speculation, guys. I'm ahead of myself here because I don't know if this is going to happen, $1.25. But this must happen within a 72-hour span, okay? That basically means, like, if there's some sort of shakeout, like if we get a nasty move to the downside, and let's just measure that from the current level at about $1.47, let's just say we get that move down to about $1.25. That's going to be a move. You're going to see 14% down on the screen tomorrow or the next day or within 72 hours if there's going to be a severe retracement in the market, okay? It's going to be down that amount, but I pay attention to candles. I pay attention to volume, guys. There's a specific pattern or behavior rather in the charts that will display to let me know that the sellers are trying to push the price down, but they won't be successful in holding the price down below this specific level at about $1.46. And again, this is because I sit and look at charts and candles and patterns all day long. Like this is my life, guys. I don't do anything else. This is it. Okay. Like I don't have a job to go to. No. This is my job, guys. Okay. So that's why I'm waiting to see how the 3 day and the weekly is going to close. Excuse me. Again, I will be buying more instruments, assuming that I have this inverted dome, the level's correct. We could potentially be up against a move that the sellers want to actually make sure that this inverted dome has support. Okay, What does that mean? Well, that means that the price will likely come back down to this level that I told you guys at about $1.31, $1.25. If it spikes below there and it quickly recovers, that's perfectly fine. Something similar to what happened right over here on this candle at about May 2019, that little wick down there. And we also have another wick down here at the lowest point, which is, what is the low there at about 5 cents. Wow, it got low as 5 cents, guys. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking to see some sort of shakeout. But again, this must happen within 72 hours, and it must have a quick recovery and close back above $1.46 in order for me to be convinced that we are probably up against a very bullish move here in the markets. Now, if things change, guys, and we start to break down below this inverted dome, I've already explained to you that we should be prepared for something like this. I am prepared to either exit the market at a loss or just simply deploy more capital into this market, depending on what happens within the next 72 hours. That's pretty much it, guys. So within the next 72 hours, I don't need a week. I need until Friday, okay, of this week. Today's Monday. I think it's like Tuesday or something. It's really early in the morning, guys. Until the end of this week, I will make all of my market entry and potentially exit decisions before the end of this week. I'm going to be paying very close attention to the price action. If we get a dip down, it's likely it's going to be a shakeout, or it's likely it's going to be the official move to the downside, guys. It's too early for me to tell, but I will say that it happened really fast. I'm not comfortable when the price moves down that fast and there's still days to close on the 3-day and the weekly. Again, guys, my market entry decisions are typically based on the 3-day and the weekly. So we have to give it time. We have to give it time, guys. $1.46, it must hold. Even if it spikes lower, that's fine, but it must close above $1.46 in order for me to be convinced that this is a bullish move. The buyers are stepping into the market at $1.46. So that's all I'm waiting on, guys. Again, I'm long the market. We have entered the market. So, I mean, I'm telling you guys a bearish case scenario because of how I'm seeing the candles develop, okay? I'm not bearish on this market at all, okay? So that's what I'm waiting on, guys. Hopefully we can give you guys another update. I know this isn't really much of a direction as far as what you guys wanted to hear. But again, you have to have your own strategy, guys. You know how you're entering the market, know where you're exiting in terms of profits or actually losses in the markets here, guys. So we're here. We're right here at my perfect safe. I shouldn't have used the word safe entry, okay? Because some people are going to twist and turn that like, you said it was safe, so I put 100K in it and I just lost 40 grand. Like, please, guys, okay? Don't come to me with that. No, seriously. And I have to speak to you like that because it's important to understand that don't be passive aggressive. It's not my job to, direct you guys in the right direction in the markets. This is what I'm doing with my portfolio, okay? This is my journey, and you should, of course, just follow me along on the journey here, just education and entertainment purposes. That's pretty much it, guys. That's where we are. Let's let the price action play out. Watch this over the next 72 hours is all I need. Up to Friday, I'll give you guys an update there. If you see the price collapsing below $1.25, $1.17, and it's not quickly recovered by the buyers, then you already know what's going on, guys. The trend is continuing. Genius Brands is not in an uptrend. For those of you just joining us, let's make sure that we are all clear about this. Genius Brands is speculatively in a sideways consolidation, okay, within this inverted dome down here. It's speculatively within this pattern. It can break out. It can break below, okay, but it is still subjected to a downtrend. It has not made a higher high ever just yet. Okay, well, it didn't make one right here, but it has never been in an uptrend, okay, ever. Okay, so let's all be clear about that. If this price decides to collapse down below this inverted dome, that would not be out of the ordinary for me because Genius Brands is still subjected to the major downtrend that it's speculatively within right now. That's what I'm going to leave you guys with. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys are getting nervous. Is this price action making you want to sell out your positions in the market? Let us know down in the comment section, guys. Have you guys entered the market exactly as we entered the market, as we anticipated to move down, or as our perfect buy-in level at about $1.46? Let us know that down in the comment section, guys. It is Napoleon Macro, guys. I really appreciate your time. Before you go, we also go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. If you guys are into that, let us know down in the comment section. We take requests. We try to get to them as quickly as we possibly can. Please be patient with us. Thank you for your patience, guys. Yes, good. Out we go, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolios. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.